Hi! Kuya Wayne will make. Ano gagawin mo?
Mini sapin-sapin.
Mini sapin-sapin. Ang taba ng mami. Oh, Sean will watch Kuya Wayne. Alright? Go! Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you get your 2 cups of glutinous rice.
What's 2 cups? Oh, this?
Yeah, of course you will get 1 cup glutinous rice. Glutinous rice. Doon mo na i-ano na para hindi matapon. If in case matapon.
2 full of these?
Yeah.
That's too much.
Okay, 1/2 rice flour.
Okay.
Doon mo yan ba matapon? Make sure yung ano anak ha.
I don't think there's no more.
Sa mo na. Sige, ano mo na lahat. Ano mo kasi?
Okay.
Ang tawag dito sa ginagawa natin is tensiometer. Okay? You throw it na. 1 cup coconut oil. I get 1 cup.
Sana?
Sige. Sige, ano mo ng ano. Like I will get you spoon. 1/2 cup condensed milk. Slowly, ha? Where's your spoon? Here, another one.
Where's the other one go?
Next, 1/2 cup of sugar.
Okay.
Careful. Then you give it to me. Alright.
Is it plain?
Yeah. We're good. You get your wire whisk and you mix it.
Wire whisk?
Yeah.
Whisk?
Whisk.
Is it plain?
Yeah. You mix it properly, alright?
Yeah.
Careful. Oh yeah. Until maging ano siya, smooth siya, yung parang wala na siyang mga lump.
Oh, like those?
Yeah. Pampalaki ng muscle. Yeah, you do it. See?
Yeah.
It's getting smoother. Pero i-try pa rin natin i-strain mamaya. Para mas smooth siya.
Good?
Yeah, sige. Nice, kuya.
Good.
Do you think it's okay? All good?
Yeah.
Ang ganda na?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So you divide them into 3. Hindi siya kailangang perfect, anak. Basta ma-divide mo lang siya into 3.
Equal.
Do you need spoon? Not yet.
Yeah, later.
Alright. Nice, kuya. Pwede mo ilapit yung ano para walang matapon. Mamaya kailangan na natin spatula rito, ha? Here. Sean, you say hi! Oh, nag-hi siya, Sean! Opo. Pero parang kang cat doon, anak. Yung ganun sa ano.
Ay, parang gold cut?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it more.
I will give this one.
What? Look, I can't.
No, isang batak lang. Do, look. Look, ha? Oh. See? Oh, you try to get spoon or anything na pwedeng ipanghalo. Para makita natin yung, kung enough yung color niya or need more.
Yo. Yeah, more.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I think.
No, you need more.
Yeah, it's good.
I will put more.
It looks like egg yolk.
Yeah. Kasi pag niluto natin, baka maglighten siya eh. Hindi siya magmukhang
Oh,
yellow
yeah.
talaga, di ba? Last.
It's gonna look like...
Violet.
Kuha na ulit ako ng kutsara.
Yeah.
Or I'm just gonna wash this.
No, you just get one more. Lagyan lang natin ng
Purple.
tig isang 1 drop each. Careful. Meron pa ba? No more? Careful. Oops. Alright.
Mix. Looks like toothpaste.
Yeah. Oh, alam mo naman ang pagko-combine ng color, so make it violet. Alright?
Okay.
Right, yung violet namin ay naging
Dark blue.
dark blue. So it's mommy's fault. Hindi marunong mag-blend ng color si mama.
It's okay.
Alright.
It's so good. Dark is dark.
Okay.
Now. It's supposed to be like that.
We need to boil it. Yeah. That's right.
Half or...
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, so, we need to wait na mag-boil siya. Walang problema, nakaganyan lang yan, oh. Tapos yung, ano niya. Nakapaglagay na si kuya ng butter sa cup. Oh, maglagay ka na nito.
That 1, 2, 3.
No, the first one, just white. Tapos, para hindi tumulo, pa ganon. Okay?
Can I pour it?
Yeah. I think you need to add more. Kasi parang hindi mo sobrang nipis. Hindi man natin kailangan gumawa ng marami. Sapat na merienda lang.
Good.
Nice. Hi, say hi.
Sean's view. Sapin level 1.
Level 1. You made how many? 9. 9 cups. Okay. Puput na natin sa steamer. Ako na ang gagawa. Yan.
Good.
Put yellow. Ingatan mo pa, hindi magtapon-tapon, ha?
Hey, Sean. Don't grab it.
It's okay if you put more because we have a lot. Pero, syempre, kailangan may space pa rin sa violet. Lapit mo yung ano. Yan. Yung last na nilagyan mo yun ang medyo konti pa.
Which one was the last one? This the pink one. Mama, Sean. Sorry.
And last one, yung violet. Na parang dark blue lang siya. Hindi siya totally violet. So, lalagyan natin ng ano pangalan nito? Langka. Hindi siya perfect pero okay naman siya. Pero titikman ulit natin. Ito yung ano, medyo labas yung nilagay kong ano ba tawag doon? Langka. Diba? Cute pa rin naman siya. Why not? Ang ganda rin naman. Good job, Kuya Wayne. Galing ni Kuya Wayne. Si Kuya Wayne nagawa nito. Ang galing ng mixing ng kuya. Opo. Hindi ko alam kung malalagyan ko pa to ng niyog. Kasi umalis si kuya. Ayan. So, hindi ko na maluto. Gawa ni hawak ko si Sean Pot. Thank you for watching.